Hello, dear guys. Today we come with one of the oldest festival of Iran, which was held inside the city of Shiraz and 14 other provinces around it. The name of the ceremony is the Rosewater Picking Ceremony, and the Kashan, one of the most famous city in the world, where this ceremony takes place inside. Guys, rosewater is a flavored water made by steeping rose petal in the water. Additionally, it is hydrosol portion of distillated of rose petals, a byproduct of production of rose oil for use in a perfume. Iran is one of the largest producers of rose in the world. This is art devices that are used to extract rose water. Let me tell you that Kashan rose is one of the most famous flowers in the world, and it's produced from the flower in the Kashan and the surrounded area every spring. Here, when we came today, the rosewater picking ceremony will take place inside, and a few small markets of all kind of the Iran handicrafts from different cities will be presented inside it. Guys, beside rosewater ceremony, it was full of the sweet and delicious things. Wish you were there.
شربته؟ شربته؟ شیرین زیاد
بگیریم؟ خوبا
And of course, a lots of sour thing.
نه یه آدم بیشوری هست که داریم
الان من ما گوش بده الان 8 ساعت دارم خدایی
آقا باشه خیلی موقع حال بهت دادم یه آدم بیشوری هستی که همه رو با بیشوری صحبت کنی من میدونم من خودم میدونم بچه کار باش تقسیم هم که آدم حساب میکنن این نظر آدم با بیزن فاسد شده نباشه دارم بهت حال میدم دارم بهت نمایندگی میدم حال میدم اومدید برشتون خودم حال باش ولی بهت حال دادم 8 ساعتی که تو میگی اون موقعی که میرفتی کلاس نمیدونم
نه میشکنه آه
چشم یه دونه اتفاق میخوام ازت بگیرم برای جایزی هم میخوام
برای جایزه هم میخوام
آره یه دونه از اون زیر لیوانیات بهم میدی؟
I hope you enjoyed this festival and I will answer your question in the comments. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much.